It's crazy some of the terrible things that brands ask creators to do. Let's take it back a few years to the beginning of when I started off as a content creator. Wasn't making any money, was just doing it for fun while working like my regular full-time job, was still grinding, working super hard, and obviously wanted to start making money and all of the things that come with being a content creator. So one magical day, I woke up to an email from a skincare brand that I had been using their product for a while, really loved the products, and they wanted to do a paid partnership with me. So of course I was super excited because, it's the first time making money as a creator. That's something that a lot of creators look forward to. And their pitch said that they had a rate of $1,400. And for me back then, when you're making no money creating content, $1,400 is a lot of money. So I was super excited. I said, thanks so much for reaching out. I'm definitely interested, love to hear more. So they sent me their brief and my heart sank. To this day, it's still one of the most upsetting experiences. So basically, in a nutshell, they did not ask for me to get paid to review their product or give a first impressions or my experiences or anything like that. Instead, they asked for the opposite. They basically wanted an anti-review. They wanted to pay me $1,400 to talk negatively about one of their competitors. Like, do you get how grimy and gross that is? So, of course, I didn't take that, duh. I responded very snarky and was like, first things first, clearly you don't know the first thing about me, because if you did, even a little bit of research, you'd know that's not something I would ever do. My platforms have always been and always will be about honesty and integrity. Why would you think that somebody would accept money to do a negative review on someone else? Why wouldn't you want to pay me just to talk about your products? Like, why is that not the same thing? Instead, you'd stoop to like doing something dirty and gross like that. I could not believe it. But I was like, definitely don't ever reach out again. I'm not interested in ever working with you ever whatsoever, and I'm not using your products anymore, and I don't. And what's funny is they have me still to this day blocked on all social platforms, which is ironic because like you blocked me because you did something wrong. And I was like, no. So if you've ever wondered if stuff like that happens, yes, creators or influencers absolutely take dirty money like that. And yes, brands ask all the time for people to do things like that. Be the bigger and better person and don't accept partnerships like that.